Hello children, how are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine, watching the videos and completing your work. So children, watch the videos every day and complete your work. So children, once again I welcome you all to class 2 computers. Children, this is our computer class. In this we will be doing our next question, that is children, in the previous video we were doing model test paper 1. Model test paper 1 is from chapters 1 to 4. Here we have questions from chapters 1 to 4. We are solving this model paper and try to find out how much we have understood from the chapter. So children, in the previous video we had done question number B and C. Now today we are going to do question number D. So let us revise once again children. Write T for true and F for false statement. So here children, space bar gives a blank space to the right of the character. As we know children, as I told you, कि space bar. What is space bar children? Space bar. B-A-R bar. Space bar is a key present on the keyboard. So children, as you know, we have studied about different types of keys present on the keyboard. In chapter 4, that is keyboard children, we have studied about different types of keys present on the keyboard. So children, here space bar is also one of the key which is present on the keyboard. And children, as you know, the space bar is the longest key. So what all we know about the space bar is children, this is the longest. Here we are comparing this key with all other keys present on the keyboard. हमारे कीबोर्ड पे जितने भी कीज हैं उन सब के साथ अगर हम इसे कंपेयर करें तो इट इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट की, सबसे बड़ी. इट इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट और थोड़ी बहुत ही बहुत बड़ी होती है. एंड इट इज़ प्रेजेंट एट द बॉटम ऑफ द कीबोर्ड. आपका जो कीबोर्ड होता है, दिस इज योर कीबोर्ड, दिस इज योर कीबोर्ड समवॉट लाइक दिस, कुछ ऐसा होता है. और ये जो नीचे वाला यहाँ का पार्ट होता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड स्पेस बार. इसको हम स्पेस बार कहते हैं, BAR बार. दिस की इज नोन एज स्पेस बार. दिस इज कीबोर्ड, KEYBOARD, keyboard. This is keyboard children. There are many keys present on the keyboard, near about 101 to 106 depending upon different types of keyboards. तो 100 से 1 से लेकर के 106 तक कीबोर्ड पे कीज होती है. Among these key, one of the longest key is space bar. तो अगर आपसे कोई पूछे which is the longest key on the keyboard children, तो you will say space bar. You will, what will you say? You will say space bar. So here the longest key present on the keyboard is space bar. And children, this it is present at the bottom. Bottom मतलब एकदम नीचे. जो ये कीबोर्ड है इसके सबसे नीचे वाले हिस्से में ये प्रेजेंट होता है, यानी कि ये पाया जाता है. इट इज लोकेटेड एट द बॉटम ऑफ द कीबोर्ड. और इस तरह का लंबा सा होता है. जहाँ कहीं भी हमें स्पेस देना होता है, वी यूज दिस की. सो दिस की इज यूज्ड टू गिव स्पेस बिटवीन टू लेटर्स और कैरेक्टर्स, लेटर्स, कैरेक्टर्स और वर्ड्स. अब चिल्ड्रन, what is the space? Whenever you write something children, whether you are writing in a notebook or you are writing in a computer, so you need to give space between two letters या words. आप words या letters के बीच में आपको हमेशा space देना होता है ताकि पढ़ने में आसानी हो and it is easily understood. तो for that we need to give space. And where do we give space? हम कहाँ space देते हैं? We always give space at the right of the character. मतलब right of the character, यानी if I write here, if I write here TOY, toy, and you want to write another word in the same line, you will give a space here. आप यहाँ पे space दोगे, this is space. You will press space bar, you will get a space. आपको यहाँ पे space मिल जाएगा. उसके बाद you will write here monkey, MONKEY, monkey. So in this way children, we give space on the right hand side. Which side is right hand? This is left hand side and this is right hand side. So here this space is called right hand side. This side is called right hand side of a letter. यानी किसी भी लेटर के या किसी भी वर्ड के बाद में उसके बाद का जो जगह है वो साइड है, उसे हम राइट हैंड साइड कहते हैं. तो here children, we are doing model test paper, model test paper, PAPER, paper 1. We are doing model test paper 1. And this paper is from the chapters 1 to 4. Here in this we are taking chapters 1 to 4. CHA, chapters 1 So children, all the questions are from these chapters. We all have studied this chapter and we have understood also. So here children, you can see कि हमने इस चैप्टर को पढ़ा भी है. Okay, so children, first one is space bar gives a blank space to the right of the character. So now you have understood everything about the space bar. Now you have understood that space bar used to give space at the right of a character. T-O-Y, toy. Then we give a space and then we write M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. And then we give space and then we can write bicycle. Anything you can write here. So इस तरह से we give space on the right of the word or the character. किसी भी word या character के right hand side में हम space देते हैं and this space is given with the help of space bar. So whenever you type in a computer, there you want to give a space, you use space bar. So space bar is the longest key children and it is found at the bottom of the keyboard. ये keyboard के bottom में पाया जाता है, located है और उसके बाद it is used to give space between two words and the space is given at the right of any word or character. So this first statement is true and you will write E for true. तो यहाँ पे this question paper page number is 77. Here we have page number 77. हमारे पास page number 77 है. अब page number 77 में हमारे पास question number B. Question number B में we have first one children, true and false. This is true and false means we have already done. हम ये पहले से कर चुके हैं. फर्स्ट वाले में फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज T for true. So you will write here capital T. तो आप यहाँ पे capital T लिखेंगे. उसके बाद children we have our next question. Man cannot take decision on his own. So children, this statement is false because as we have studied, when we studied about when we compared man with computer children, we studied that there are differences between both but still man is better than computer as computer is made by man. जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कंप्यूटर इज मेड बाय मैन, दैट इज व्हाई वी कॉल इट एज मैन मेड मशीन. हम उसको मैन मेड मशीन कहते हैं और कितना भी वो फास्ट काम करता है, इट कैन रिमेंबर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, इट कैन नेवर फॉरगेट, इट नेवर गेट्स टायर्ड, बट स्टिल चिल्ड्रन इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन मैन फॉर इट्स वर्किंग. अगर मैन उसे हैंडल नहीं करेगा, कंट्रोल नहीं करेगा, कमांड्स नहीं देगा, इनपुट नहीं करेगा या फिर उसे स्विच ऑन नहीं करेगा तो इट वोंट बी एबल टू वर्क. सो हियर चिल्ड्रन, कंप्यूटर अच्छा होते हुए भी, फास्ट काम करते हुए भी, इट इज़ नॉट बेटर देन मैन बट इट इज़ स्मार्टर देन मैन. बट हियर इट इज़ आस्क्ड, मैन कैन नॉट टेक्स डिसीजन ऑन द ओन. सिमिलरली चिल्ड्रन, मैन इज़ द वन हु कैन टेक इट्स ओन डिसीजन और हिज और हर ओन डिसीजन. यहाँ पे मैन जो है खुद के फैसले कर सकता है, अपने डिसीजन ले सकता है. तो यहाँ पे वी विल राइट F फॉर फॉल्स. यहाँ पे क्योंकि उल्टा लिखा हुआ है, कैन नॉट टेक हिज और हर ओन डिसीजन. यहाँ पे लिखा है मैन कैन नॉट टेक्स डिसीजन ऑन हिज ओन, दैट इज मैन कैन नॉट टेक्स डिसीजन ऑन हिज ओन, दैट मीन्स द स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. क्योंकि मैन अपने डिसीजन ले सकता है, हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं हमें क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जो इंसान है यानी मैन है, दे कैन टेक देयर ओन डिसीजन. वो खुद के फैसले ले सकते हैं. हमें अगर कोई काम नहीं करना है तो हम नहीं करते हैं, करना है तो करते हैं. वो हमारे ऊपर है कि वेदर वी वांट टू डू और नॉट. उसके बाद चिल्ड्रन, नेक्स्ट वन इज कंप्यूटर्स कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड इन स्कूल्स. एज वी नो चिल्ड्रन, computers cannot be used in school. This statement is also false. Of course we use computers in school for doing lot of things. हम कंप्यूटर को स्कूल में बहुत सारे काम करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. हम लाइब्रेरी में यूज़ करते हैं, हम ऑफिस में यूज़ करते हैं फॉर कीपिंग द फी रिकॉर्ड, फॉर कीपिंग द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ द एम्प्लॉइज इन द स्कूल, for keeping the record of the books in the library. We print question papers, we print result, we send messages to the parents or circulars to the parents, we send and receive mails, and lastly and the most important is children, we use computers for teaching and learning purpose also. So here we use computers for doing many tasks in the school. So this statement is also false क्योंकि यहाँ पे cannot लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे cannot लिखा हुआ है. उसके बाद चिल्ड्रन, एज यू नो, नेक्स्ट वन इज function keys. Function keys are located on the top of the keyboard. So this also we have studied in the previous video. Function keys are present on the top of the keyboard. So this one is true. So with this we have done this question. एंड लेट अस स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर डी चिल्ड्रन. क्वेश्चन नंबर सी भी हमने कर लिया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर नाउ वी विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर डी. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर सी में पहले एक बार रिवाइज करके फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर हम डी करेंगे. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर सी में हमारे पास है फर्स्ट वन चिल्ड्रन, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है. हियर वी हैव फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, BLANKS ब्लैंक्स. हियर चिल्ड्रन फर्स्ट वाला हमारे पास जो है यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. So children, let us revise question number B also, which we have done in our previous video. Question number B, fill in the blanks. FILL, fill in the blanks. BLANKS blanks. So here children, first one is dash computers are used in schools. Which computers are used in schools children? We have already studied. D is given, S is given, then dash, then T is given. Then we have dash and dash. Which type of computer is used in school? As we know children, desktop computers are used in school. So here desktop starts with D. You will write DESK, desk, TOP, top, desktop, DESK, desk, TOP, top. उसके बाद टू यहाँ पे सेकेंड में हमारे पास है dash record is kept with the help of computer in hospital. So children, we keep the record of patients in the hospital because the one who visits to the doctor, one who come to the doctor are called patients, and they come in the hospital for their treatment, and these patients records are maintained in the hospital. So you will write PAT dash है, E है. Once again we have dash and then we have T and S. So spelling is PATIN, patients record. So here we keep the record of patients in the hospital using a computer. Now thirdly children, there are dash arrow keys on the keyboard. How many arrow keys are there on the keyboard? There are 4 arrow keys. F, O नहीं दिया है, U is given and T. F, O, U are 4 arrow keys present on the keyboard. One is I am pointing in all the 4 directions. These are 4 arrow keys. With this children, we have revised what we had done in our previous video. Let us start our next question. So children, our next question is, as we know, our next question is question number D. Our next question is question number D. Let us do question number D. Question number D children, answer the following question. Answer the following questions. QUESTIONS questions. Now children, let us start. So children, our first question is, write the uses of computers at school. Write the uses of computers at school. So as I told you many times children, computers are used in school for many purposes, for doing many different tasks. तो जो कंप्यूटर है स्कूल में हम यूज़ करके बहुत सारे काम करते हैं. दिस क्वेश्चन वॉज डिस्कस्ड एंड डन इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो लेट अस रिवाइज एंड मूव फर्दर इन द सेम क्वेश्चन. सो चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट वन इज द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वर्क डन इन द स्कूल्स आर. Children, we need computers in the school for teaching and learning. Firstly, we can write teaching and learning, and then we can write computers are used for maintaining the record of fee, fee record. The computers are used for maintaining fee record. Then we can say computers are used for keeping the record of the employees working in the school. Computers can be used for preparing question papers. Computers can be used for preparing result. Computers can be used for maintaining the record of books in the library. Computers can be used for sending circulars to the parents. Computers can be used for sending and receiving the mails. तो और भी बहुत सारे काम है. तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे काम स्कूल में होते हैं जहाँ पे हम कंप्यूटर का यूज़ करते हैं और कंप्यूटर के थ्रू वी कैन डू द these things. So this question we had done in our previous video. Now let us start our next question, that is question number B. Now write any two difference between man and a computer. So children, there are many differences between man and computer. We are going to discuss here which all we have studied. So children, in chapter 3, if if you open chapter 3, we have studied about many differences about in between man and computer. So firstly children, as we know, if you talk about the differences, this is question number B, question B, C, question number 2. This is question number 2. Question number 2 में the differences between man and computer, if you want to write children, firstly you can write computer, you can write here computer, and then here you can write man, M-A-N, man. Now, first one children, first में you can write computers can remember many things. Can remember many, M-N-Y, many things. Can remember many things. Computers can remember many things. Remember many things. Whereas a man cannot. A man can remember, may or may not remember. लेकिन बहुत सारी चीज़ें याद नहीं रखता, तो हम कह सकते हैं man may forget. Man यहाँ सिर्फ कैन फॉरगेट लिख सकते, कैन फॉरगेट, F-O-R-G-E-T. There are possibilities that man may remember or may forget. दोनों possibilities है, या after some time man may forget. मैन थोड़े समय के बाद भूल सकता है, या फिर वो तुरंत भूल सकता है, या फिर नहीं भी भूल सकता है. तो देयर आर पॉसिबिलिटीज. लेकिन इन केस ऑफ कंप्यूटर चिल्ड्रन, दे कैन नेवर फॉरगेट व्हाट एवर इज फेड इनटू द कंप्यूटर. जो वो एक बार याद कर लेते हैं उसको वो कभी भी भूलते नहीं हैं. लेकिन मैन के साथ है, मैन कैन फॉरगेट और कैन इवन फॉरगेट आफ्टर सम टाइम. तो मे और मे नॉट, बोथ द पॉसिबिलिटीज आर देयर. कैन फॉरगेट, भूल सकता है और नहीं भी भूल सकता है. तो यहाँ पे मैन कैन फॉरगेट. ओके, देन सेकेंड पॉइंट में यू विल राइट कंप्यूटर्स नेवर गेट टायर्ड. तो ये यू विल राइट नेवर गेट्स टायर्ड, T-I-R-E-D, tired. Man gets tired. मैन टायर्ड हो जाता है, वो बहुत ज़्यादातर लगातार काम नहीं कर सकता है. तो मैन जो है कुछ समय काम करने के बाद दे ऑफकोर्स गेट टायर्ड. तो वहाँ पे मैन के साथ देर इज आर पॉसिबिलिटीज, ही विल गेट टायर्ड, बट कंप्यूटर नेवर गेट्स टायर्ड. इट कैन वर्क फॉर कॉन्टिन्यूस लॉन्ग आवर्स, मतलब लंबे समय तक वो काम कर सकता है. देन चिल्ड्रन वी हैव टू राइट ओनली 2. सो कंप्यूटर इज फास्टर देन मैन. Faster is very fast, you can say very fast. Third way you can say very fast. Man can work fast, but not faster than a computer. वैसे तो सोचो तो देर इज नो कंपैरिजन बिटवीन मैन एंड कंप्यूटर. मैन और कंप्यूटर के बीच में कोई भी कंपैरिजन नहीं है. तो सीधा आप लिख सकते हो मैन वर्क्स स्लोअर देन कंप्यूटर. तो सीधा लिखो मैन वर्क्स स्लोअर than computer. Man works slower than computer. So this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. अब children, we had to write 2, but I have written 3. Other than that, children, there are some more things. For example, a computer can store lot of data. A man cannot do that. Computer works on runs on electricity. Man does not need electricity, but man can have feelings. Man have feelings, whereas computer does not have feeling. Man can take its own decision, but a computer cannot take his or her own, मतलब its own decision. So यहाँ पे there are many differences which we have studied and we know also in the computer, and when we compare man with computer, there are lot of differences, and some we have discussed here, and some I have written also, but as we are asked to write only 2, so you will write only 2 and the remaining are just for the knowledge. तो एक बार हम कह सकते हैं कि a computer can work fast, a man is slower than a computer. A computer never gets tired, man may get tired or they get tired. They cannot work for long hours. Then does not make mistakes. Very important thing. A computer never makes mistakes, whereas a man may or may not do mistake. तो मैन के साथ पॉसिबिलिटी है कि वो मिस्टेक कर भी सकता है और नहीं भी कर सकता है. फिर उसके बाद अ कंप्यूटर रिमेंबर थिंग्स फॉर एवर. कंप्यूटर हमेशा के लिए चीज़ों को याद कर लेता है, वो भूलता नहीं है. बट देर आर पॉसिबिलिटीज विथ मैन, दे मे और मे नॉट, दे मे रिमेंबर द थिंग्स एंड विद द passage of time they may forget it. Then children cannot take decision on its own. Computer cannot take decisions on its own, but a man can take his or her own decision. Then उसके बाद computer does not have feelings, whereas man have feelings. Then needs electricity to run, whereas man does not need electricity to run. So these are the points which we have discussed. Next question is, name the 2 keys that are used to erase text. Differentiate between them. Means children, first of all you will tell the name of 2 keys which are used to erase the text. Erase means to delete the text. यहाँ erase का मतलब to delete होता है. जब हम कंप्यूटर में टाइप करते हैं तो हमारे पास रब करने का ऑप्शन नहीं होता है. इंस्टेड ऑफ रबिंग वी इरेज और डिलीट. तो हियर चिल्ड्रन ऑन द कीबोर्ड, एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड अबाउट द कीबोर्ड in chapter 4 children, and you very well know about all the keys on the keyboard. So we know that there are 2 keys on the keyboard which are used for erasing the text. Suppose sometimes you have written a wrong spelling and if you want to erase something and write something else, so you need delete key or erase key, and these 2 keys are backspace key and delete key. So children, name the 2 keys. First answer you will write in answer 1, you will write backspace key, B-A-C-K, back, S-P-A-C-E, space, K-E-Y, key, backspace key, and delete, D-E-L-E-T-E, delete key are the 2 T-O-O-2 keys used to erase the text. T-E-X-T, text. If you want to erase a text written on the computer, you should use either backspace key or delete key. अगर आपको कोई भी टेक्स्ट कंप्यूटर में लिखा हुआ इरेज करना है या डिलीट करना है तो you will use backspace or delete key. Now children, what is the difference between these 2 keys? So we very well know that one key erases towards the left of the cursor and the other key erases towards the right of the cursor. So children, as I have told you before also, this is the cursor point. If you consider the cursor point children, this is cursor point and you have 2 letters on either side of the cursor. For example, if you have here K-E-Y key and here you have B-O-A-R-D, board, and if you want to erase the letters given, because you have given space between these 2 letters, actually these has to be written together. आपको दोनों एक साथ मिला करके लिखना था, but you have by mistake you have given some space between both the letters, so you want to rub it, you want to erase it. Now which key you will erase, which key you will use to erase K-E-Y, K-B-E-Y को erase करने के लिए which key you will erase, you will use which erase key or delete key you will use. So children, because the letter K-E-Y are towards the left of the cursor, cursor के left में है, so for erasing the character towards the left you will use backspace. आपको अगर left side के character को erase करना है तो you will use backspace, and if you want to erase the character towards right you will use delete key. तो इधर पर करना है तो हम backspace पे जाएंगे, हम B-A-C-K backspace पर जाएंगे, और अगर उधर का करना है तो हम डिलीट की पे जाएंगे, डिलीट की पर जाएंगे. तो या इफ यू वांट टू इरेज द कैरेक्टर टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट you will use backspace, and if you want to erase the character towards right you will use delete key. Now children, so you will write here backspace and delete key are the two keys used to erase the text, and backspace, B-A-C-K, back space erases the character towards the left of the cursor, C-U-R-S-E-R, cursor, whereas delete key, D-E-L-E-T-E, erases E, यहाँ पे हम E लिखेंगे, R-A-S-E-S-E-S, erases the character towards the R-I-G-H-T, right, of the cursor, towards the right of the cursor. So children, here we have two keys which are used to delete the character, delete the words or the letters. So these two are delete or erase. These two are backspace and delete key. बैकस्पेस और डिलीट की को यूज़ करके हम किसी भी कैरेक्टर या वर्ड को डिलीट कर सकते हैं. अदर देन दैट चिल्ड्रन, सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द टू. डिफरेंशिएट का मतलब दोनों के बीच के अंतर का, मतलब दोनों डिलीट करते तो दोनों में फ़र्क क्या है, दोनों को अलग नाम क्यों दिया गया. ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस बिकॉज बोथ इरेजेस द कैरेक्टर इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. वन इरेजेस towards the character towards the left of the cursor and the other erases the character towards the right of the cursor. तो आपको मैंने बता दिया कि जो डिलीट की होता है वो लेफ्ट कर्सर के, हम यहाँ पे कर्सर को पॉइंट ले रहे हैं, वी आर टेकिंग द कर्सर एज अ सेंटर पॉइंट. और अगर हम कर्सर को कंसीडर करें तो कर्सर के जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है वो बैक स्पेस डिलीट करेगा, और जो कर्सर के राइट हैंड साइड में है दैट विल बी इरेज्ड यूजिंग द डिलीट की. सो चिल्ड्रन, name the two keys that are used to erase text, differentiate between them. अब इन दोनों के बीच में हमें differentiate करना है. Backspace key and delete key are the two keys used to erase the text. Erase the text. Now children, backspace erases the character towards the left of the cursor, whereas delete key erases the character towards the right of the cursor. And children, for your information, if you press backspace key once, it will erase only one character, not a word. It will, whether it is backspace or it is delete key, it erases वन कैरेक्टर एट अ टाइम. एक बार में सिर्फ एक ही कैरेक्टर इरेज होता है, और बैक स्पेस की लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के कैरेक्टर को इरेज करेगा, और जो आपका डिलीट की है वो राइट हैंड साइड के कैरेक्टर को इरेज करेगा. एंड द कर्सर इज इन द मिडल विद टेकिंग कंसीडरिंग द कर्सर एज द मिडल पॉइंट. कर्सर के लेफ्ट में और कर्सर के राइट में दोनों डिलीट करते हैं. एक लेफ्ट हैंड के कर्सर को डिलीट साइड के कर्सर को डिलीट करेगा, दूसरा राइट हैंड साइड के. तो हियर चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बैकस्पेस एंड द डिलीट की. सो हियर वी हैव टू डिलीट कीज. वन इज बैकस्पेस, एक को हम बैकस्पेस की कहते हैं, दूसरे को डिलीट की कहते हैं. अब जो बैकस्पेस और डिलीट की है, दोनों की को यूज़ करके हम किसी भी टेक्स्ट को इरेज कर सकते हैं ऑन द कंप्यूटर. इफ यू हैव रिटन समथिंग रॉन्ग ऑन द कंप्यूटर, you can erase using these two keys. Now the difference between these two keys are, children, one erases the character towards the left of the cursor and the other erases the character towards the right of the cursor. Backspace erases towards the left of the cursor and delete key erases towards the right of the cursor. So this is the difference between these two keys. So children, with this we have completed question number 3 also. Now question number 4, I think 4, yes, question number 4 is, what is a computer? What is a computer? What is, question number 4 is, what is a computer? So children, you all have gone through this topic from the class 1 itself, and you very well know that computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. So what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. So here you can write computer is an electronic machine. Now children, what do you mean by electronic? Electronic का मतलब क्या होता है? Something which is run by electricity. As a computer runs on electricity, it is known as electronic. तो ये हमारा first question था, which we have studied in chapter 1 itself. So here we can say a computer is an electronic machine. Now, what is a cursor? Our next question and the last question of this question paper is, children, what is a cursor? So, what do you mean by cursor? Let us write what is a cursor. So, cursor is a, now you can write here, cursor is a small blinking line. What is a cursor? Question number 5. What? W-H-A-T. What is a cursor? What is a cursor? So you will write here, answer में you will write 5. Cursor, C-U-R-S-O-R, is a small blinking, B-L-I-N-K, blinking, K-I-N-G, blinking line, L-I-N-E, line. Cursor is a small blinking line on the screen, present on the screen, or you can write on the screen. So children, I have shown you there is a small sometimes vertical or sometimes horizontal line present on the screen which keeps on blinking. This line is called cursor. इसे हम cursor कहते हैं, and this line shows from whatever you want to write will get written from this point. So here children, last 2 questions are, what is a computer? We very well know that computer is an electronic machine. What do you mean by electronic? Electronic means something which run on electricity. Then what is a cursor? Cursor is a small blinking line on the screen. So there is a small vertical or horizontal blinking line. Sometimes it is vertical line and sometimes it is horizontal line. So it can be vertical as well as horizontal, and this blinking line is the small line and which is known as cursor. So with this children, we have completed this question paper. Go through the video, learn and write all these questions and try to understand. So children, write these questions. Here we end our video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.